Smart money concepts are a way of reading price action through structure, liquidity, imbalance, and reaction zones. The idea is to look beyond a basic indicator signal and ask what the market may be doing around areas where orders are likely to sit. That usually means paying attention to swing highs, swing lows, equal highs, equal lows, order blocks, fair value gaps, and changes in market structure. TradingView smart money tools commonly combine these elements, including break of structure, change of character, order blocks, fair value gaps, and liquidity sweeps. The first part of the process is structure. A break of structure usually suggests continuation, where price breaks a previous high in an uptrend or a previous low in a downtrend. A change of character is different. It can show an early shift in behaviour where the market begins to move against the previous structure. This is useful because it helps separate a trend that is still developing from one that may be starting to rotate. Liquidity is the next part of the read. In smart money analysis, obvious highs and lows matter because they are places where stop orders and breakout orders may be concentrated. If price moves above a prior high and then quickly rejects back below it, that may be read as a liquidity sweep rather than a clean breakout. The same idea applies when price moves below a prior low and then returns back into the range. The sweep itself is not enough. The reaction afterwards is what gives the move more meaning. Order blocks and fair value gaps then help identify areas where price may return. An order block is often treated as the final opposing candle or zone before a strong move and structural break. A fair value gap shows an imbalance where price moved quickly and left an inefficient area behind. These areas can become useful reference points, but they should be read with context rather than treated as automatic entry levels. In TradingView, these concepts can be marked manually with drawing tools or followed with indicators that identify structure, liquidity, order blocks, and fair value gaps automatically. The benefit of using these tools is that they can keep the chart organized and make key areas easier to monitor. The risk is relying too heavily on labels without reading the surrounding price action. A practical smart money workflow is to start with the broader structure, then look for liquidity being taken, then assess whether price reacts with displacement, a break in structure, or a return into an order block or fair value gap. Momentum tools, volume indicators, or trend filters can then be used to judge whether the move has enough support behind it. In short, smart money concepts are less about predicting every turn and more about building a structured market read. They help show where liquidity may sit, where price may react, and whether the current move is supported by structure, imbalance, and confirmation.